kabahin sa kasulatan.
Sa imong himaya, luyog sa talang talong sa mga anghel, diha sa among Panginoon.
Ninyo.
Kabayat dah. Kalau kabayat dah, orang batay mani.
Tala na mga balik kita, wala ito.
Wala, sama sa imong pinapusal yun.
Ha? Wala, ulo sa tao.
Yung pinapusal yun sa Eljbarr, ito, dito sa yung dito, ay.
Mami.
Kaya magkantas?
Delete na si Ring ha. So what used to be the party place here in Cebu City now is turning into like a food park. Alright, so we got like a bunch of people from Marco Polo Club. It's like an expensive hotel slash condo unit here in Cebu. And I got, I don't know if they have somebody special coming in. Right, Gabby? Hmm? No. Alright, so it looks like we come across a bar, or it's kind of creepy. So that's the entrance. And all you see is that. So I don't know if it's like an adult bar. I think it is. Right, Gabby? Sarah. So see our friend there going over there. The passion. Alright, well, a little history about this place. So ako na rin magduwa. Right, muna ang Rustans side. This is where we used to play Magic the Gathering. This was before Gab. Ako na ko sa single. Dito pa ko sa CIT sa una. This used to be a radio station. I forgot. Yeah. Inside. Oh. Inside was their sound booth. You could go in there, request a few songs. Now it's kind of dead. I don't know if nangyayari siya sa una, but now it's a surplus thing. Of course, National Bookstore. That's always been there. I think that's one ang pinaka-karaan nilang tenant here. Yeah, it's turning out to be just for like small stores and stuff. That place used to be a networking store. I forgot what it's called, Global something. And now it's all empty now. During pre-release, nagkakay mga taong muduog Magic. Ano sila din? Probably 10 or 20 tables. Yan, kami muduog pre-release na sa mga posters. Karon wala na. The name of the store was Neutral Grounds. I think they closed down. Alright, it looks like wala kaya pa nila usba. They still have the same location for the magazine racks sulod sa National Bookstore. Hari ko rin sa unang tanong mga magazine. And we still have this book. You Can Draw Manga. Complete ako sa series, maybe 1 to 6. Well, not complete. You know, how to draw manga from 1 to 6. And then after that, di gyapon ko ka drawing. Di ba, Gap? Kapoy na ka? Wala na ta? Yan na, wait sa tang mami. Okay, mami is spending time with friends. And that's it for tonight, guys. For today, rather. Hope you guys had a good day. Mine was pretty good as well. Hope to see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be better tomorrow. And my voice sounds a lot better. Alright, bye.